Now next part of the human brain, that is the hinder cortex, which is also called as the rhombencephalon. Hindbrain or the rhombencephalon. After the completion of that midbrain region, now the next part, hindbrain. Posteriormost portion, lowermost part of the brain, which including the two major parts. One is nothing but the metencephalon, another is the myelencephalon. Metencephalon, myelencephalon. Metencephalon, again including two parts. One is a cerebellum, and just in front of the cerebellum, that is the pons valli. So cerebellum and pons valli together called as the metencephalon, or together the part of that metencephalon. While the terminal region, lowermost region, that is the medulla oblongata, which is called as the myelencephalon. So medulla oblongata, that is the myelencephalon. Now first of all, that cerebellum, it is the region that is the cerebellum, and here is a ventral view. You can observe is a blue colored, that region which is called as the cerebellum. You know the largest portion of the brain, which cover almost all other parts of the brain, that is the cerebrum. So brain itself is called as cerebrum in general. So that cerebrum is the largest part, but now the second largest part is the cerebellum. It's a cerebrum, it's a cerebellum. It's a parts of forebrain, it's a part of hindbrain. So second largest part, that is the cerebellum. You know the cerebrum having its own two lobes, right and the left halves of the cerebrum called as the cerebral hemispheres. Here also cerebellum including the three lobes, right and the left, and these right and the left major halves, which are called as the right and the left cerebellar hemispheres. And through these cerebellar hemispheres, projecting worm-like is nothing but the vermis, third lobe, comparatively smaller one. As compared to that two hemispheres, that vermis is a smaller lobe. Now here, the location सबसे पहले, where that cerebellum is located. It is exactly below the posteriormost occipital lobe of that cerebrum. Here, पीछे. Cerebrum के occipital lobe के नीचे, that second largest part, nothing but the cerebrum. Sorry, that is the cerebellum. So such cerebellum, that is the location below the occipital lobe of the cerebrum, which having two major halves, nothing but the right and left cerebellar hemispheres, and middle projecting vermis. Okay. When you observe the cut section, here is a sagittal section. We can observe the outer zone, outer region. Such outer zone, here dotted region, which is called as the cerebellar cortex. Outer zone is called as the cerebellar cortex. And such cerebellar cortex having a scattered nuclei, that means bunch of these satons, so ultimately forming that grey matter. So peripherally there is a grey matter in the cerebellar hemispheres. Okay. So peripheral grey matter, and internally exactly in the middle, central zone, we can observe the network of the fibers which are running in a typical pattern. That means medullated nerve fibers, and these medullated nerve fibers show the branching just like a trees, so called as the arbor vitae. And here these medullated nerve fibers forms the which matter? That is the white matter. So outer zone cerebellar cortex, grey matter. Inner zone cerebellar medulla forms the white matter. And such white matter shows a typical tree-like branching, so called as the arborvitae. Arborization means branching, which is essential, vital for the life. So arborization, which is essential for life, that means arbor vitae. Now it is essential because get here the all nerve fibers, nerve tracts through the cerebral peduncles get communicate with the various other parts of the brain, forming that reticular activating system. So communicating all other parts of the brain, and therefore it is essential for the life. So called as the vital for the life, arboreality. Now it is about the location and internal structure. Now the function. अभी major functions क्या है? Here this cerebellum, which is the site where it is actual center to maintain the equilibrium maintain करना body का, balance maintain करना है, posture maintain करना है through the proportionate muscle contraction. Okay? तो अल्टीमेटली इक्विलिब्रियम, हम गिरते नहीं है, इक्विलिब्रियम मेंटेन होगा, हम सिटिंग पोस्चर में होगे, स्टैंडिंग पोस्चर में होगे, रनिंग में होगे, व्हीकल चला रहे होगे, उस समय हमारा बॉडी पोस्चर मेंटेन करना है, इक्विलिब्रियम मेंटेन करना है. और इस इक्विलिब्रियम मेंटेनेंस के साथ साथ अल्टीमेटली एक और ऑर्गन है जो हमारा बॉडी इक्विलिब्रियम मेंटेन करता है, हम अल्टीमेटली झुकते इधर उधर उस समय, दैट इज द इंटरनल ईयर आल्सो, सेमी सर्कुलर कैनल ऑफ द इंटरनल ईयर, along with that cerebellum, ultimately maintaining the equilibrium, body posture, balance, also the orientation. What is that orientation? Orientation means movement in a particular direction. हम रनिंग कर रहे हैं, क्विकली मूव करते हैं, ओके, व्हीकल चला रहे हैं, इधर उधर मूव करते हैं, तो उस समय हम गिरते नहीं है, बराबर प्रोपोर्शनेट बॉडी बैलेंस होता है, या प्रोपोर्शनेट मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन से बॉडी बैलेंस मेंटेन किया जाता है. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दी दैट सेरेबेलम. इसलिए अगर कोई, हम पिक्चर में देखते हैं, पीछे से आगे कोई मार देता है, मीन्स अगर हैमरिंग होगा सेरेबेलम पर तो हमारा बैलेंस चला जाएगा, हम लुढ़क जाएंगे. ओके, नाउ हियर दैट सेरेबेलम मेंटेनिंग दैट बॉडी बैलेंस, पोस्चर, इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ द बॉडी, as well as it is a site where the all skeletal muscle activities which are voluntary, हमारी इच्छा के अनुसार मैं मूवमेंट कर रहा हूँ, मेरे फेशियल मूवमेंट हो रहे हैं, हैंड मूवमेंट हो रहे, नेक मूवमेंट हो रहा है, हेड हो, ये मेरी इच्छा के अनुसार हो रहा, दैट मींस वॉलंटरी फंक्शनिंग है, वॉलंटरी मसल मूवमेंट है. अगेन दीस आर मेंटेन्ड बाय द सेरेबेलम. ओके, एज वेल एज इट कंट्रोल द रैपिड मूवमेंट, रैपिड मस्कुलर मूवमेंट. रैपिड कब होगा? जब रैपिड हम रनिंग कर रहे हैं, वॉकिंग कर रहे हैं, ओके, रैपिड बाइसिकलिंग कर रहे हैं, उस समय ये सभी मसल एक्टिविटीज को कंट्रोल करता है सेरेबेलम. तो इन दिस वे दीस आर द मेजर फंक्शंस ऑफ द सेरेबेलम. तो अल्टीमेटली इवन तो अगर मैं बात कर रहा हूं रैपिड फास्ट बात कर रहा हूं, उस समय भी मेरी मूवमेंट, पर्टिकुलरली मसल मूवमेंट, थ्रोट मूवमेंट, टंग मूवमेंट, ओके, दीस आर अगेन कंट्रोल्ड बाय द सेरेबेलम. वोकल कॉर्ड मूवमेंट, दीस आर अगेन कंट्रोल्ड बाय द सेरेबेलम. नो देयरफॉर व्हेन देयर इज अ डैमेज टू दिस पार्ट, अगर डैमेज हुआ तो हम बैलेंस नहीं रख पाएंगे, गिर जाएंगे, लुढ़क जाएंगे, ओके, अल्टीमेटली प्रॉपरली वॉक नहीं कर पाएंगे, देयर इज अ डिफिकल्टी इन वॉकिंग, एज वेल एज प्रॉपरली बोल नहीं पाएंगे, स्लरी स्पीच होगा, स्लरी स्पीच, ओके, एंड देयरफॉर देयर इज अ डिफिकल्टी इन कोऑर्डिनेटिंग द मूवमेंट प्रॉपरली. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम लेते हैं एक नीडल लेंगे, उसमें अगर थ्रेड डालने की कोशिश करेंगे, अगर नहीं जा रहा, हमारा हाथ थर-थर कांप रहा, ओके, इसका मतलब प्रॉपर सेरेबेलम के द्वारा कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा मसल एक्टिविटीज. It is the actual fault of that ultimately damage to the cerebellum activity. Okay? Now in this way, about the location of the cerebellum, two halves, that is the cerebellar hemisphere and the middle is the vertex. Internally, outer zone shows the cerebellar cortex, including that gray matter. Internal zone, cerebellar medulla, that is the white matter, shows a tree-like branching of that medullated nerve fibers called as the arboreality, arborization, which are essential, vital for the body functioning. So ultimately arboreality, and then the functioning. About that is nothing but the maintaining the equilibrium, balance, posture of the body, rapid muscular, that is the voluntary muscle activities, including walking, running, balancing, orientation, that means movement in a particular direction. At that time, all such activities are controlled by the cerebellum. Okay, in the next video, we will see about the pons varolai and the medulla oblongata. Okay, thank you.